Hello viewers, so let me take you through this subtopic called the nutrition in animals. So yeah, basically we deal with the mode of heterotrophism, where the organisms that are found under this category are known as heterotrophs. So the heterotrophs, to some extent, what they do, they lack that ability to make their own food. So they depend on the already synthesized food substances from other sources. So basically, under this particular topic, we are supposed to discuss four important modes of nutrition and heterotrophism. So we have holozoic, we have saprophytism, then we have symbioism, and then finally we have parasitism. So there are four, and each to some extent has its own way of obtaining the food substances and digesting them. So if you start with the Holozoic basically this is where most of the mammals are found. So to some extent the food is ingested through the mouth, then along the digestive tract, the large complex food substances are broken down. So if you have carbohydrates, then they'll be broken down to their simpler constituents, which are the monosaccharides like fructose, galactose, and glucose. Then we have what parasitism, where there's usually one organism usually called the parasites, which depends on another organism called the host. So the parasitism benefits a lot from the host by obtaining nutrients, and then to some extent they can as well obtain shelter. So in the process, the host is deprived of its nutrients, and then to some extent they cause some discomfort. And then the third category we have what the saprophytism. This basically most of the bacteria and fungi, they feed on dead organic matter. So those dead parts of plants and animals are fed on by the saprophytes. Then the last category we have what the symbiosis or the symbioism. This is just but an association between two organisms where they benefit from one another mutually. So they contribute towards their survival. So to some extent, you may have the lichens where the algae and the fungi associate. So the fungi will absorb water and mineral salts for photosynthesis, and in return the algae will photosynthesize to provide the food to be shared. The other example of the symbioism is the association between the leguminous plants, their nodules, and the bacteria called rhizobium. So the rhizobium to some extent helps in the fixation of nitrogen, and in return obtain carbohydrates from the leguminous plants apart from shelter. So those are the four main types of nutrition based on heterotrophism. So we shall pick from there. Have a lively day.